Hi, welcome to Attainable Green. I'm Jess, and today I'm going to share with you my recent road trip to Sunset Valley Orchids for the summer open house. I'm so excited because it's my first time at an orchid nursery. I didn't know what to expect. Maybe a lot of plants? We arrived right around lunch, so we picked up some tasty street tacos and refreshments for a quick break. Then it was time to get serious and look at some plants. There were 5 greenhouses open to the public. Each one had so many orchids, from breeding stock to private collections, Cowleas, Paphiopedilums, Catasetums. Seriously, what don't they have? The Catasetum house was a little bit harder to find since it wasn't connected to the other houses. There were oceans of orchids, from tiny ones to big ones, all of them so healthy and green, it was mind-blowing. As I wandered down the aisles, I saw a sea of seedlings, and I had no idea how I was going to choose what would come home with me. I was primarily interested in getting some Clowesia Mormodes hybrids, but I couldn't help but be swayed by the beauty around me. I ended up picking up 7 plants to take home. With a 20% discount and no shipping fees, it felt like such a great deal. It was so awesome that I'd love to go back again. As for the orchids, let's go over them briefly. There's not much to say because, well, I just got them. This first set contains 4 Mormodes Clowesia hybrids, or Mormodias. First is the Clowesia Grace Dunn Live Oak, crossed with Mormodes Jumbo Bacia SVO. It will probably have a flower shape similar to the Clowesia, but the coloring of the Mormodes in the red to bronze range. This hybrid will bloom late in the season, as is common with most Mormodes. Next is the Clowesia Grace Dunn Live Oak, crossed with Mormodes Ignea Orange Blaze. Once again, it will have the Clowesia flower shape, but the flowers will be more orange to bronze color. Next is the Mormodia BC Elvira, which is Clowesia Rebecca Northern Hilltop crossed with Mormodes Nitty-Gritty Golden Bronze. The flowers will be in the yellow to orange range with spots. Next is the Clowesia Rebecca Northern Grapefruit Pink crossed with Mormodes Mimi Extra Wide. The flowers will be in the red to orange range with spots. The next set are 3 other Catasetum types. First is a Fred Clark Yara. It's Mormodia Painted Desert SVO crossed with Catasetum Melana Davison Foxtail. This one will be a compact hybrid, or intergeneric, with flowers in the dark red or spotted burgundy range. Next is the Clowesetum Black Jade. It's Clowesia russelliana David N. crossed with Catasetum expansum Myra. This should be an interesting hybrid with green flowers and a long flower spike, up to 2 feet long. The last plant I picked up is a Mormodes hybrid. It's Mormodes Wild Rainbow BB crossed with Mormodes Nitty-Gritty Darkness. It should have really dark burgundy twisted flowers. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more of these types of videos, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel Attainable Green for all the latest updates. Hit the bell so you never miss a beat. Bye!